morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning. We're about ready to get a whole lot of snow. It just started. I can see flakes. And I didn't walk yesterday. The outside of my right foot was killing me for some weird reason. I'm back out here today, getting it done. And I thought, how pretty would it be just to be up here by the water when it first starts to snow? Kind of magical. The top lake doesn't have any ice at all, just the bottom too. Look at that. I wonder what that is. It's really starting to snow now. Holy. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That beaver was definitely over here. I hope I can make it up to my favorite bench that I found. We didn't make it last time. Just back to the nice peaceful feeling. Being out here in the fresh air, walking in nature with all my new friends. I honestly thought it would be the end of December before I had 100 subscribers. But before I left the house, and I have 101 new friends. I am blown away. Blown away. It's unreal. Unreal. But I don't know if I said it. Thank you so much for being here. Wanting to watch the videos. It's pretty amazing to connect with other people that pretty much have the same thoughts. Ooh, I tripped. Introverts unite. No. Introverts gather here. We can all keep each other company separately. Yeah, sorry. It's really starting to come down now. I guess I should head back to the car. I don't know. It's absolutely magical out here right now. It's starting to cover everything. I think it's time to go. Yeah, that's probably about 45 minutes. The ice is completely covered in snow. I'm pretty sure I'm the only one out here. There's no tracks in the snow. It's so quiet today. Well, thank you so much for joining me on another walk. Beautiful snowy morning. I will see you all on the next one.